your body from left and right. So you somebody. Look at the men, them look at you. Everybody just feel.
Yes, your waist, all in yan want na your waist, but all wetin we want na be say, may your evening make sense, may you dey gbadu the show. And don't forget, say as you dey gbadu the show, you fit still tell us on top our social media portal, say yes, una do this one well, and no worry, at the same time, you fit still tell us, say Skimpy, Obi Martins, na this particular one, una do where we no like. Yes, don't forget, say we still get our topic of the day where we tell you, say may you tell us as you go take do, assuming say na you, yes, you get fiancé or fiancé 1 hour to your wedding. The person can't go make lemon for your back as he make lemon. You can't cash him. The person can't tell you, say, sure, I just want to take this one, do last before we enter the thing. Full signed and delivered. Tell us how you go take react on top W Late Night Show. And don't forget, Obi Martin still get your own way in. They ask you, but that one, I beg, answer and personally. No. Because my aunt no dey there.
No, Skippy, no.
And Bobby,
waiting be the difference.
Answer that one at I am
Obi Martins.
No be at W Late Night Show.
Answer everything together.
No.
Even yellow Martins.
Obi Martins.
Yes. What be the difference? Using Skippy as a case study.
I don't tell you no put my name for that thing. Banty, talk to this man now.
Using Skippy as a case study. What is the difference in the tabular form with
for you to use me like
and the breast?
Obi, for you to use me as case study.
Why do they rush?
For you to use me as case study, go be like say you don't weigh the thing before. No. Capital
Skippy, ask the yellow party question.
Seriously.
My people are tweets and they wait for
Bless
one.
and Bobby, they call Skimpy name. It's my business. Yellow Banty, you know the one wake on my mind. You know, say Obi don't ask you plenty questions at the quiet scenes because they do can say, okay, where I won't pick this question from. But as woman where I be, make ask you this very personal one, although you not come to the personal still. When you give your pikin mama belle, where she can you go meet the family? I know say she can you go there be.
As of how many wives, how many people born for her family? Because he say no man say blessing. Now one woman ain't born the children or different women.
Now one.
Okay, now one.
Keep the fire down.
Good. Now as a family see you the day where she go present you, waiting be their reaction.
Aye. Down. Yeah, one track already did the album. One track done the because. The first time when the mother knows say me and her daughter they follow, now somebody tell her. So one day I they escort the babe to go house, because that time she to come block me as a bachelor. As the mama catch and so the mama fair rush and slap first. As he pass here, take off me and pass here. Everybody discharge.
It's a tradition.
I don't know.
You might not like your style or your color or skin.
You know, I don't know. I don't just know.
But when you go give picking belly, what's in no get option now?
The portion come give me now.
I take care of you.
For one belly, you give her four.
That's why I take marry now. If I know say the way they pursue me now, the way they come around me now. If I know say na so, you go be that as a portion comes out portion and go back.
Okay, now Yellow Banty make ask you this other.
But I look and say, you so ma collect my level. So far now,
quietly.
Ma collect my level. I collect my level. They go like everything sweet very well. Because I enjoy the Rema and the Rema self enjoy me well. To the rest of them can't go foreign say no go marry Yellow Banty. She come back say if I don't marry Yellow Banty nothing.
By fire by force.
Nothing. And they tell you say nothing they happen.
She say Nadia she want die.
And they tell you always say love they fade sometime. Love they fade. No.
The love don't fade.
Love don't fade.
It don't fade.
No, don't see again.
That time the love the brain is scattered, but now the love don't fade.
No, don't see again like this.
No, they don't discharge. Me say I don't discharge. Everybody on the face.
But picking day with her.
This one, na television, you there, no.
Talking,
na television, we did everything.
You don't swear, say you go talk through.
If I not talk, it's different from say, I talk, lie.
Yellow Banty, you don't swear.
If I not talk, it's different from say, I talk, lie. So if I not talk, I not talk with that.
Okay. And anyway, okay. If you keep quiet, me say yes, the picking the day with you. If you keep quiet, if you say no, I dey with the mama.
See, if you be musician, where they travel, go here, go here, go here. You if you keep children, when they below 15 years, they travel up and down.
You don't answer the question. Minister, they pick it with the mama.
Now the mama go take care. You know, they give them the check then now.
Based on tradition.
Then they send check, they go.
Oh, yeah, they go. Oh, I mean, if I want to where you go, no carry. Yellow Banting, you won't carry me. You know, feet.
Okay, Yellow Banting, this final question for me.
Yes,
apart from music, waiting they put food for your table?
You know, say me, I grow as an artist. I feel draw you as you did so. But along the line, what I can look and say, it also goes with sight. You go with sights. Because where they paint, where they draw your line, you need to get a very sharp sight. That's why I can look and say, no, I don't feel last with this career. Okay. Make I use music.
Because maybe won't ask you before. Say, I did it. You know, say they see where.
It doesn't. It's not be you be this. It's not you bought to be this one. This one not be grand.
Maybe we there. You don't say they see for classroom. Back
that one far now. This one here. That one far. This one here.
I didn't see Yellow Band. Make I ask you this one. Sensitive one.
If you want to, I go near block. I go near the board.
If you want to do a rima, if you want to stay with your babe for night, and you off, they all are the off lights.
Both.
If you want to make love to your girlfriend for night,
now both are they do.
why they ask easy beats? You they follow me there.
I said now both me they do now.
No, Yellow Banting. If you want to date with your girlfriend for night, you they off light, I mean you they on light.
Sometimes I go off light, sometimes I go on light.
I didn't see where you what you want to do.
A blind man, they give man belly.
You know say I be far picky where he go no carry very small. Now the late night show begins, and I almost 11 with approach. So you will be small picky, they listen to this conversation, go sleep. You know my show. Wait for your time. No be so.
That's so.
They say woman they find picky, they wear clothes sleep.
That's so. I like that one. I love that.
Okay.
I want to follow back go, they come back.
They come back.
Skip the fire down.
Okay, now sharply, because no time to check time. Maybe Papa do one thing. Maybe enter our social media. That one na Twitter handle. Maybe we go see waiting one or two people don't drop for us for there. And first of all, for here, they see Aka, aka Princess. And waiting she talk for there and I be say at W Late Night Show, Obi and Skimpy. Hello. Yes, Princess, we were with here. They tell you say hi. That na the levels. Yes, we get another person for here. This one na Frank the Great. You say at W Late Night Show. That one na we were with here. Obi Martins and Skimpy. Nice show. DJ Easy Beats. Kudos to all of us now. My brother, thank you. Say you dey follow the show, no be my.
And thank you say we no give you transport fare, you got to follow us.
Yes. Thank you too much. Mohammed Bello talk for here say, Skimpy na fine girl, please Obi stop yabbing.
What be that?
Thank you for fighting my battle, Mohammed Bello. Thank you. Obrigado, gracias, miatonga. You know.
My people, now we'll move to the next level. But before we go, I'm gonna ask you, what do you go do? You know, we drop topic. If 1 hour to your marriage, you fast the person you want wed, in cheat on you with your anybody, what do you go do? You continue the wedding.
1 hour to my marriage, with the experience I don't get for life now. If I get woman now, I want marry now, with like the woman I date with now, so I won't go wed her now.
You can't find
a day to that day.
1 hour to that wedding.
1 hour to that day. I will ask myself plenty questions, but I don't go stop that wedding.
You continue.
Yes, I'll continue the wedding.
Why you continue?
Because after the wedding, if you cancel the wedding, you may see reasons why you're not supposed to cancel that wedding later.
If you're oracle,
you may see reasons after I don't cancel the wedding.
You may see
reasons why you make the reason why you're not supposed to cancel the wedding. Later.
Skip Yellow Band, you don't finish talk.
And that one, when you don't cancel, That means you can't begin to regret why you cancel her. So leave her, make the wedding go on. As now they do the wedding, they go. At that time you go know whether you divorce or not.
But you know easy shower for some people.
No, you know easy.
You know easy, but no matter how it be, if you like me German 2 seconds, do like say you know see and bear and make that thing just happen first.
Skip it now. What you go do if you catch your husband?
Obi Martin, why you not tell me say you ask me this question? Make I don't think.
Skip it. Wait, who time say?
But seriously, if I catch her,
no, you know go. You know do am again. I know you.
I'll forgive her. I'll forgive her.
All right, for me, Yellow Band, you don't answer the whole question for the old man.
No, Obi Martin, answer your own.
If not me,
Ojoro cancel.
If not me, I don't like for now. You know, easy. I know cancel the wedding like yellow band talk.
Yes,
Don't be say they can talk. I go hold on. And the woman will respect me more. Because as yellow band talk, you go see reasons why you're not supposed to cancel that later.
Yeah, later. You go see
You understand? Maybe you want chop one. Or maybe that other person they hold her for work. Say, give me this last one.
Yeah,
and last one the key.
Last one the key.
Make a chango.
Last man standing.
You know, and nobody only pass.
Okay.
Okay, now my question. What is the difference between for Bobby and breast?
Bobby. If the thing never produce, na Bobby. If you don't produce, na breast.
Is it like this DJ is where he gets degree for populations, PhD. But some Bobby, some Bobby never produce. They be breast.
They don't produce, they be breast.
No!
They don't produce.
Because the way men like me and you are easy to handle that Bobby before he produce. Some Bobby, like our technical director now, Mr. Malabo, some Bobby they may not handle, they fling and go give him. If you don't suck and finish, we take them back, they come food down. You know? Easy bit. What is the difference between Bobby and breast?
I don't know, Sha. But I see all of them the same. Like we seen Banty talk, he say if you don't born, a breast. If you never a Bobby.
Okay, now talk to you never jump babe and say this supposed get Bobby, but you did disappointed. Now breast you see.
I know they meet all this kind of thing.
They come away.
Okay, I forgot to ask you, what do you go do if you see 1 hour to your wedding, you meet the person you want to marry, and they cheat on somebody, and they cheat on you, cash out. What you go do?
I go think am. But that not go say make I stop. It all depends as I take day on that mood because it's easier said than done. If you don't live for that position, you don't deal like this, gong. Obi, trust me, you go think well because if you cancel the wedding now, before you go see me, you come marry again, you go drag you 6 months, 1 year, 2 years. Who lose? So you go think I'm well, but I don't go cancel.
All right, my people, we don't ask ourselves what we go do, and you remember now, make you drop your own question, make you drop your own answer for our Twitter at W Late Night Show, or face your book with us at Wazobia TV NG, or drop your answer for Instagram, Wazobia TV NG. What you go do if you catch who you're married, they 1 hour to your wedding, say in cheat on you. Anyway, and don't forget my own question. What is the difference between Bobby and breast? Tweet at me at W Late Night Show, and tweet me personally at I am Obi Martins. Foul picking where eagle no carry. When it's small, I don't grow to pursue eagle. They don't reach. They say no matter how science and technology advance reach, surgery, nothing make crayfish straight.
My joy in I be say anybody will even see your mouth, the way you take they call the Bobby and breast, they don't understand why you ask the question. Because the shape of your mouth show us say yes, you feel undo Bobby, turn to breast.
Ah!
Ooh la la.
Hey!
Okay.
Hey!
Okay.
If we begin talking about it, we don't handle. Skippy. Even my technical director said, Mr. Anibaba, aka Mr. Malabo. You know what I'm talking about now?
They owe you.
He got someone with them. Would they swallow the nipple safe? All right,
Okay.
Well, yesterday, our word of the day.
Yesterday, before we come up for here, we say make una talk and for good English. It gets
As e dey do me.
It get as e dey do me. Make una talk and for good English. And don't forget say 24/7. That one na every day. Our live Jacob stamp. Jacob the enter on our dude bogo. They shook microphone for people man to take collect their answer.
Make we ask Yellow Banting.
Thank you. Before we come on, we go ask Yellow Banting. It get as e dey do me. Talk and for good English.
You get as they
Do me. Like Bobby Matter now.
Get as they do me. That one I do. You get as they do me. Shemi.
I bet we'll go live. We'll see live Jacob for streets. Mr. Malabo, my main nigga, my correct man. If you leave Yellow Banting here now, he go to ask us again. Say, get as they do me. What you would ask? He go ask us.
Attire.
I bet we'll see what you live Jacob.
It's doing me somehow.
I feel somehow.
Okay, it's doing me somehow, man.
It's doing me somehow. I feel somehow.
Hey, we don't hear what people talk now. Jacob. Even Jacob self, that's people don't tire in the entire for them. It get as they do me. I don't make today one plenty.
You know.
All right, don't forget, say the person way talk well, you go see we don't chop late, you not chop late, recharge card. And for tomorrow own.
Yes, tomorrow another one down there on top with table, and the one where you go drop on top with Twitter if you get the answer. Now be say talk am for good English, like play. Yes, like play. Talk am for good English. Don't forget say on top how you drop the answer on top at W Late Night Show, and you get the answer. Well, we go sunshine you with chat card. May you take the waiting. May you take Peshimele na the levels with that one. Obi Martins, over to you.
Now Yellow Bounty, make I ask you one more thing, One more thing.
I never answered that first one.
Okay, answer the first one.
For me, that one, I would say I feel strange.
You get us, they do me, I feel strange. All right, when we go back to the parliament, to the House of Commons, we go know what people deliberate. If Yellow Bounty win, we go send them, give her. If you don't win, we go see tell her. Yellow Bounty, before night don't come, and you need to go out.
Yes, sir.
I want to ask, what's the high point of your career? When you say yes, so you happy, say yes. Irrespective of how your complexion, how you look, you still happy say you be like this.
Yeah, now when I collect one award from some years ago for Golden Gates restaurants and MTN organizer, yeah, I was awarded as a first gold record, and then give me the award. They Google, if you Google Yellow Bounty now from anywhere, you can see where me and the first president of MTN stand together, snap picture with the frame. So that one make me very, very happy. Well. I see myself as somebody. And for me to don't come attain that kind of height, get that kind of award, there is no how why I will feel leave music.
Because I can go higher and higher and higher.
Still.
I'll
be mad with music, need to finish your mouth.
Okay, no, while Yellow Bounty. Now, as I talk before, we don't get time again.
Yeah.
What is the advice you want to give your people out there where they look their skin, say nothing, where they look as say nothing, they advise them for music career?
Yes. For those of you, those guys like me, who look like me, who get my hair, get my color, what are the colors?
I've been on now. Which name again? What's your real name? What's your real name? Your real name.
You asked me before.
Okay, now what's your real name?
What make you not ask me since?
Because I don't waste name. Anybody where they give you name, they waste name. How you gonna look to you? They say, okay, anybody don't call you your real name before. Nobody Oyibo that they call you. So why they gonna waste name? Anybody will give Yellow Bounty name, you waste name. You don't waste. They don't give Oyibo name. Oyibo.
Okay, before Oyibo day now they can't call Oyibo all of the rush.
Okay, tell us your real name.
My real name is Kennedy. Uti Unduka Kennedy.
Woo!
Kennedy.
I don't go like
State.
Kennedy. Uti Unduka Kennedy.
Yeah, from
Delta
State. And I speak Ukwani.
Bonyokwani.
Bonyokwani. Bonyemuno.
Ajay, sir.
Yeah, Judy.
Come on. All right, give them the advice like you go perform. We don't get time again. You know?
Yes. Just believe in yourself. No, let inferiority complex enter you. Believe anything you want to do as an albino or a fiend, any they call you. Just believe in yourself. Only what they do, now it will change people feeling about you. Once you allow inferiority complex enter you, you know go bring the best out of you. But once you believe, say, now the same God created all of us. Now we be woman be waiting there. You go dance, I go dance. You go sing, I go sing. You go drive motor, I go drive. You go jump, I go jump.
Wow.
You chop, I chop. You marry, I marry. You born, I born. Where do you come with the difference, no?
Nah, so.
I feel.
I am saying your girlfriend, I will cash you, go push you, go beat your girlfriend. You say you go run, I say run.
The girl go still come back on
so.
No be
Yellow Bounty, fire out with your guitar. At this point, ladies and gentlemen, me and Skip, you don't believe, say, we don't carry our usual leg, we say, we say, waiting. Good night. Good night. And Yellow Bounty, make us tell them, make us hear our people. We go say good night. You go sleep well and you go wake up well.
Amen.
No do wetin go make government cash you.
I beg.
No do electoral violence, shun violence, vote wisely. No sell your vote. Now me, foul picking where Eagle no carry money small. I don't grow up to follow Eagle fight. I dey do wetin, I dey say obrigado. Asante sa.
And me, I say gracias, mi atonga.
And easy people, they do wetin. All right. Yellow Bounty go carry us end the night. Yellow Bounty, over to you.
Rastafari, Salai, Yellow upon the case, man. All of now, we're the house. When I don't forget about the Banty. I want you all to know that I'm here, so Say na me yellow be original whitey. Now me people see where then they call laughing. Everywhere when I go, children run follow me. Brother, sister, mommy, daddy, everybody wants see me. They say yellow be, do you chat reality? That's your banty dance, that make us happy. Now who make them they happy? Who can they make them they smile? Now who make them they banty? Who can they do bante? Say now who make them they happy? Who can they make them they smile? Now who make them they banty? Who can they do bante? Oibo pepe, so some people call me original yellow bee from a Jegula city. Say the life in the ghetto isn't easy, but as I get to you three have to think wisely. So me tell it to the men and the ghetto bikini. If you have to grow up better, you think positive. You know, come in Adidas and chat fantasy, face root and culture and reality. Now who make them they happy? Who can they make them they smile? Now who make them they bante? Who can they do bante? See, I remember when I never did popular. The girls them they say make a wait for corner. Some of them they say make a go stand for yonder. Why? Some girls say go turn out there for backyard because then they fear they don't want to holla. If somebody see me and them no more younger, they go say na oibo be your honey. They go say na afi you they marry. If you the friend afi you go born afi. So the girls them